Hello everyone, we are in Dumbo, Brooklyn to visit one of our favorite food halls in New York City, the Time Out Market. It's located in the Empire Stores building on Water Street, and we are excited to see what changes they have made and what restaurants are open. So before we get started, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. So the first thing that we noticed right away is that there's way more outdoor seating than the last time we came here. They have added picnic tables for larger groups and smaller tables for individuals. So it is good to see that they are taking the necessary precautions to keep everyone safe while they eat outdoors. As you enter the building, you will find arrows placed on the floor to help customers navigate through the indoor food hall. There are also stickers to help maintain social distancing. There are currently 7 restaurants that are open for business, and customers can order online beforehand to make the process of buying food fast and simple. Time Out Market is open from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. from Wednesday to Friday and 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. on Saturdays and Sundays. You can also take the elevator up to the 5th floor to visit the Time Out Market rooftop. The rooftop has a bar that is open to order drinks with happy hour from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. every day. They have also added additional seating outdoors on the rooftop, and customers can enjoy a drink with beautiful views of the city and the Brooklyn Bridge.